Good evening to all. Myself, Anil. Everyone have their lunch?
Yes, sir.
Now that's fine. Everyone will listen to me carefully now. So, today what I am going to discuss is the .NET framework. While reaching here, I have an interesting observation. While traveling here, I have observed that the peoples of every age group, that is starting from the 15-year to the old man, using some big phones, that is the Android phones, the Windows phones, and etc. I thought that why they shifting to this? The main function of obviously of the phone is sending messages, calling and receiving the calls. But why the persons of that much smaller age and that much high age require this kind of phones? So I got to the conclusion that uh, these phones provide the better features, means they provide the multitasking ability, where we can use it as a camera, we can use it to connect to people who are abroad, through social networking sites, we can check our mails, perform our office work, and everything that our PC supports has now been functioned in this mobile. That is what I am trying to say. Basically, .NET provides us with this ability to perform multiple, not exactly to perform multiple tasks, but it allows multiple languages to be incorporated in one structure. So the peoples who are related to multiple languages, we can combine them in a group and perform the work that is designed. That will provide us with the flexibility to manipulate and allow them. I will now discuss the architecture of .NET. Here at the top level are the source languages. The source languages are like C Sharp, JScript, VB. These are the common languages that we use with this framework. But there are 25 languages that we can incorporate with this structure. What happens in the previous languages when we are using a language? That language gets compiled directly into the machine code, and we run that code on that particular OS, on the top of that OS. But what was the restriction there? That machine code is not suitable for any other operating system. Suppose we have created a machine code for, suppose this PC is having a Windows operating system. We have created some machine code for this, and the particular other PC is having Linux. Then we cannot ship this program to that PC which is having the Linux. But here in the .NET framework, we have this capability. The source code is not directly converted into the machine code. Instead, it is converted into the MSIL. That stands for Microsoft Intermediate Language. This language is an intermediate language, which is also called as a managed code. It is called as managed code because it is managed by the CLR. The whole functioning is managed. We can transfer this code on any operating system, and using the CLR we can run CLR is the heart of .NET. It is the environment of running that intermediate code. The CLR takes the input and then convert it into the native code, and then we can run it on the particular operating system. The CLR is just like the JVM of the Java language, where the bytecode is converted into the machine code. The CLR is similar. Suppose recently Mr. Modi has went to China, and just consider that he doesn't know English, and the people there don't know English. So Modi will definitely talk in Hindi, and so those people will talk in Chinese. So they will, if they have to do some business deals, then it will be possible. No, it will not be possible. So either these two people should know the same language, or that means these two pieces should at least have the same OS, or there should be an intermediator that enables these two people to talk or communicate each other. That means transfer of information between those. That what exactly the .NET does. That is, it makes our application platform independent. The second advantage of using that .NET framework is okay.